Hey cuties! Mwah! So today I am going to be doing a hairstyle video. I'm going to do 5 quick and easy hairstyles for summer. But I thought I haven't done one of these videos in so long, so I've been itching to do one of these. I can't stop. Just a little bit of info. A side note, I mean, I am not the best at hair. I'm not the best at makeup. I just like doing it, so nobody come at me and be like, that's not how you do it, or that looks ugly. Like, stop. Your crush is ugly. Like, stop. Me dissing teenagers out there, what else is new? So these are just some that I've came across either on social media. I have inspo pics on, some that I do, some that I see my bestie is like super good at hair. Anyways, you guys don't care. You guys just want to see that. So here we go without further ado. Anyways, let's go. Okay, so I'm just gonna section my hair down the back with my finger. I'm gonna have a little bit of hair out. This piercing is so annoying, and yes, my ears get really red. I just loosely curled my hair for this, but what we're going to do is do like a basic braid or a plait. Plait? I think that's what it's called in like the UK. I never knew that until a few years ago, but anyway, and then just braid. Tight or loose, it really doesn't matter. And because I curled my hair, I'm gonna let a little bit of the ends out. Beat your elastic. Does that look cute like that? Yeah, it does. Or you could braid it all the way down. I just use clear elastics. I get them at Dollarama. Like that. And then you can open it up if you want it. I think I'm going to open it up a little bit to make it fatter because my hair is very thin. That cute. Okay, and of course you could add extensions to this if you want it longer or fuller or whatever. Funky colors to it. Now you want them even. This is such a cute hairstyle. You know, you guys are probably like, okay, they're just braids with curls in your hair. Like, what is that? These are quick and easy hairstyles for summer, okay? It gets your hair out of your face. You can go to the water park, you can do whatever, but I'm gonna add a little bit of a twist to it. So I got this at Dollarama, just in the craft section. These aren't revolutionary hairstyles. I'm not freaking Bella Hadid. I don't know why I said that. Does she even do hairstyles? If I can even get it open, like, oh no. So I want them like kind of long like that. I don't know, let's just test the waters here. Let's just do this. Okay, I can't cut a bow or ribbon. I don't even know what it is. So we're just going to, ooh, like that. Oh my God, this is so cute. I kind of want it longer actually. Longer. And then just, you could either do it up here or right here, wherever you want. Gonna put it right here. Okay, so you could just have it like that and hanging down. Super cute, super easy. So just get a long ribbon, cut it. You could do multiple uses with these as well. Just go around it, go close to the top as possible. This would be way better with a mirror. Loop it, pull. We know how to tie. I mean, this is cute, definitely. That is really cute, but you could go a step further and make these into bows and just tie it into a cute little bow like this. You could have it like more hanging down. You could do them way longer and have the tails hanging down. Or you could just have them like this. I know they're not the most even, but cute, cute, cute. Just to add a little something to your braids. And I like curling the hair. I feel like it looks good with like every look. So here's hairstyle number 1. And who doesn't like to add a little bit of ribbon to something? Moving on. Okay, so for this one, we're just gonna grab the top of our hair. This is like kind of meant to be a little bit more messy. We're just gonna grab our hair right here and loosely comb it. This one's super quick. Grab a thingy, go high up. And you're wanting to go as back as possible. You don't want them to be like lopsided here. I like to go back. And then this is where you're gonna go halfway depending how long your hair is. Like you don't want them too big. This is what you're going for. These little like dangly buns. Oh my God, I love it, love it. Just like this, finger comb, super quick and easy. Get your hair out of your face. Just looks like you spent time doing it, but you didn't. I used to do this in gym class because I like to have a little bit of hair down to cover my arms and my small boobs. My hair up at the same time. Like it was just like a thing. Like I played volleyball in high school and I was like, this is cute. I'm a volleyballer. So this is what the problem you're gonna run into is getting them even. That's the problem I run into at least. You guys are probably better than me. Cute. They look like little bunny ears. They're super cute. They look like that. They're like little space buns, but they're not as much work and not as messy. So it looks like this. Really like it. I feel like it's like a Lady Gaga back in the day hairstyle or like Ariana Grande or something like that. Super adorable. Again, if your hair's curled, if you have naturally curly hair, I feel like it looks better. You could definitely do it straight. We love the straight. So this is this hairstyle. It's fun. It's cute. I feel like it would work with a lot of different lengths. Let's move on to the next one. These are kind of uneven, but Okay, so I'm gonna use my whole hair for this. I'm just going to section it off in the back into like kind of 2 equal parts. This one is a little bit messy. Now I'm gonna do a ponytail, and we're gonna stop it halfway again like we just did. And go like this. Grab the rest of our hair. Go underneath it, like a double bun type situation. This looks like that. And then we're gonna really pull it up to make it messy. And then I'm gonna take a clip, a cute clip, and put it right underneath here to pump these up and then like spread them out. So it looks like this from the sides, and you could definitely pull it even more. Again, curling it will make it better. I think I'm just gonna put just a little bit of framing because I do really like that, and it adds to like the messiness of it. And if I do it before, then I won't get enough hair in the back. Like I don't have lots of hair, so that's why I just like to pull a little bit out after to frame. I feel like it just adds to like the messy little aesthetic there. This one is again very quick. Your hair is right out of your face. My hair feels very secured. It's way more secured rather than just like putting it up into like a messy bun or like just putting it into a claw clip. I love this. It's super big and fluffy, and it kind of is like a low-key like bridal style, but like for like the average man. It's like a cheap, quick, easy bridal updo. DIY. Lazy. Not really bridal. Single. The single bridal. Just kidding. The quick and easy 2-minute bridal updo. So that was this one. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next one is a low pony type deal. I think I'm just gonna take one framing face, and we're gonna go make sure it looks cute in the front before we hit it in the back. And we're just gonna go like here a little loosely with your scrunchie. Two, because we kind of want it a little looser like this. This is very, very quick. I'm gonna pull this down a bit. You just want to create a hole right above where the scrunchie is. I hope you guys are seeing this and it's not like going blurry because I can't see. My head's the other way. So it's not gonna focus on my face, it's gonna focus on their faces in the back. But we're just gonna create this hole, and then all you're gonna do is slip the scrunchie with the ponytail through, and it's gonna kind of create these little sides here, just very slightly. Something different if you wear a scrunchie every day, but I feel like it's adorable. Looks like that so quick. Like if you're putting in a ponytail, it probably takes more work, honestly. That extra wrap, you could just go and then do like a little down do. I was gonna say updo. Is that still an updo? Cute, love it. Hair on the face, unless you want a framing face. Okay, last one. Okay, who doesn't like a good scrunchie moment? So we're gonna do this other scrunchy little tutorial, but we're gonna do it high up. And why did I say high up? My voice just went with it. High up? Framing pieces if you want. I just look better with it. Now I'm gonna go kind of high here. I'm gonna stick my thumb right here. I've got jewels on my nails. See? So they're kind of hard for me to get in there, but just kind of go even. You can use a brush or a comb. Okay, now we're just gonna kind of finger comb. Make sure things are kind of even. Take your scrunchie and literally place it. Ooh, there's more hair coming. We don't want a lot of hair. We want this to be like a cute little pony and still have a lot of hair down here. Just like a little pony right on top of your head here. And just literally go right at the top of the head, like a genie almost. Looks a little bit too skinny. We'll see. Yeah, that ponytail's like nothing. Ah, it's kind of cute, but I think we want more hair. I don't like that. I don't like it. Ew. Grab more hair here to fill out this ponytail. Okay, way better. Yes, okay. It is still skinny, but I have thin hair, whatever. Like this. Like that. It's like kind of 80s. Cute. And there we go. Just looks like that. The grand finale. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Cute little hairstyles. Super easy, super fast. Let me know which one is your guys' favorite. I just wanted them like quick, easy, simple. You know what I mean? Hope you guys enjoy this. I love you guys so much and have a good day. Have fun styling your hair. Send me pictures on social media if you guys do this, and I love you so much. Mwah. Bye. Bye, cuties. Mwah.